especially in these challenging times. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Globe Chief Sustainability and Corporate Communications Officer, Ms. Yoli Crisanto.
Hello, hello! Kamusta kayo? Pang-8 na speaker na daw ako. Are you still good, guys?
Yes!
Gutom na kayo, no? Gagawin na lang natin ito sandali. I won't be there to take you away from your lunchtime. Pero mukhang masarap yung lunch natin. Sinilip ko na eh. Anyway, first of all, I would like to thank you all for joining us today. Maraming salamat po. You know, para ho kayong kapamilya ng Globe. Diba? And when we hold it here at B1, at TGT, talagang napakasarap ng feeling because we have this beautiful office para i-host ho kayong lahat. So, palakpakan naman natin lahat kayong pag nakadala dito, kasama ang mga taga Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao joining us on Zoom. So, 7 speakers before me. Marami kayong natutunan tungkol sa Globe?
Yes!
Ang hina naman. Marami ba kayong natutunan tungkol sa Globe?
Yes!
Dapat lang! Sayang naman yung preparation nila. Imagine from B2B hanggang sa ating roaming, meron tayong mobile, meron pa tayong bazaar na gagawin. Ang dami ho, di ba? Talagang, ang dami nating ginagawa. But, more importantly, alam nyo naman kung anong nangyayari sa atin ngayon, no? Sunod-sunod ang ating calamities. Tama po ba? And for all those on the Zoom, yung mga taga-Wismin, kami po ay pupunta dyan. Ako po ay nangangako, pupunta kami sa Visayas and Mindanao, lalo na sa Cebu. We will do volunteerism and relief efforts na kasama po kami mismo. So hintayin niyo po kami, okay? Siyempre, pag maraming typhoon, ano ang ginagawa ng Globe? Ano ang ginagawa ng Globe pag maraming calamities? Ha? Restoration, di ba? Tsaka free calls, libreng tawag. Yes, libreng tawag. That is our small way of giving back to our communities. Kailangan po talaga connected ang bawat isa. No? And more importantly, nakita niyo po naman how fast we are able to restore our services. Alam niyo ho, araw-araw ho kaming tinatawagan ng DICT head natin. Alam niyo po ba na the restoration efforts and the statistics on outages and how the telcos are performing is actually up in the DICT portal? Alam niyo ba yun? So you can actually take a look how fast the industry is responding, no? And for us, yan po ay isang napakalaking bagay kasi ang aming pong network teams halos hindi na natutulog para makapagbigay lang ng connectivity sa lahat-lahat ng naapektuhan ng bagyo. Not just the typhoons, but also earthquake. No? So, kung pwede po sana, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating network people. Thank you. We really appreciate you guys. So at Globe, we always believe that connectivity is not just about technology, it's all about the people. You and me. It's about using our platforms to enable empathy, empowerment, especially in moments of crisis. In today's generation, sino dito ang millennials? Raise your hand. Sino ang Gen Z? Raise your hand. Oh, di ba? Nakita niyo naman kahit sa speaker lineup, di ba? From millennial, Gen Z, and syempre Gen X. Okay, so they expect, itong mga bagong katulad, ewan ko, meron na ba tayong alpha ngayon? Ha? Interns. Ang mga interns daw ng Globe, Gen Alpha na. Okay. These guys, they expect us to stand for something, no? And take part in nation building to make a difference where it truly counts. And Globe of Good is our response to that call. So, ano bang ginagawa ng Globe? Number one, kinakailangan collective. When I say collective, hindi lang kami, hindi lang kayo, tayong lahat, including our customers. And that is why we use our Globe Rewards, di ba, to donate points para even our customers can participate and support in helping rebuild our nation. Palakpakan po natin lahat ng Globe customers. At kayo po na nagpapa-expire lang ng Globe Rewards, pwede, gamitin naman natin. Kasi pwede naman natin siyang i-donate. Right? Sayang naman po. Diba? Marami pong nangangailangan. So aside from Globe Rewards, meron pa tayong isang platform which we call the Globe One app. Ayan. Everybody, lahat ba kayo naka-download na ng Globe One app? Mamaya mag-check ako. Walang giveaway pag walang Globe One app. So through the Globe One app, we have GoGive. Nagagamit nyo ba yun? Ang GoGive kasi pang Gen Z yata eh. GoGive, Globe Rewards, and syempre yung ating gigantic Globe Goals. Gigantic Goals. Medyo tongue twister. Gigantic Goals. Ulitin ko. Yeah? Where we've created a sustained digital funding stream for disaster relief, recovery, and most important of all, resilience. It's a model that empowers our customers to create a globe of good just by using the Globe One app. Alam niyo po ba, this year alone, 300,000 Globe customers donated their rewards points through Globe Rewards and, eto, have raised 5 million pesos for our NGO partners. Sa lahat po na nag-donate, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Through GoGive naman, more than 40,000 contributors generated 2.9 billion hearts! Hearts! Diba? Supporting advocacies in child protection, women empowerment, medical assistance, animal welfare, and disaster relief. Alam niyo, meron kaming realization dun sa ating hearts. Kasi nga mga Gen Zs and millennials, no, talagang they're so ready to give, no, their hearts, lalong-lalo na po sa animal welfare. Ang malaki-laki na rin po ang nakuha ng ating animal welfare partners like PAWS and Potion coming from GoGive. So again, maraming salamat doon sa nagbigay naman ng hearts! O, pumunta naman tayo sa Gigantic Goals. Under Gigantic Goals, we brought together mas marami pa, 150,000 customers, proving that even one rewards point can make a difference, whether it's feeding rescued animals or donating tablets to public schools in need. Ayan, maraming salamat po dun sa nag-donate using Gigantic Goals. But, eto, I want to point this out. In today's digital transformation, marami po tayong niluluto. Kasi marami tayong gustong gawin. So sabi natin, here in Gigantic Goals, ang gusto natin makapagbigay tayo ng tablets to schools. Thank God na ang Department of Education pala, hindi pala Energy. Kahapon kasi nag-energize. Department of Education, medyo nakakalito na. Okay, the DepEd ang gusto niyang gawin, mag-online learning na tayo. Di po ba? It's such a great relief na finally magpo-progress na tayo to online learning. And with online learning, ang kailangan po ng ating mga teachers is obviously teachers training. Ang kailangan po ng ating mga estudyante is obviously a new way of pedagogy, right? But, more importantly, kailangan ng ating mga estudyante magkaroon ng devices. Yan. So, in the future, wag ho kayong magugulat pagka sa Gigantic Goals, hihingi ulit kami ng tulong sa ating lahat, including our customers, to donate para makapagbigay po tayo ng tablets, kung hindi tablets, kahit devices, 5G devices, di ba? Or even laptop computers to our schools, teachers, and students. Abangan nyo po yan. And on the ground naman, as I was saying earlier, sa calamities, nakapag-deploy po tayo ng 29 libreng tawag and libreng charging stations, extending relief to more than 9,000 families. Pero guys, the need is far greater than what us, Globe, one company, can do. No? Sabi ko nga, kailangan it's all of us together. So today, we are inviting every Globe customer to take part in this collective act of bayanihan. Open your Globe One app, donate your rewards points to our partner NGOs. If you are a prepaid customer, participate in GoGive and sign up for free to automatically send hearts to your chosen causes every time you use your mobile data. Ladies and gentlemen, the spirit of Christmas is not just about celebration. It's also about compassion. Christmas stands for joy, love, and hope. And it is hope that endures. It is hope that rebuilds. In honor of our Globe of Good Community Alliance NGO partners as our heroes on the ground, we appreciate them for they are the hands and hearts who transform donations into action. No matter how small, every act of kindness is important because it ripples across communities and light the way forward. So, guys, malapit na kayong kumain. This holiday season, may every connection we make become a connection that heals. Together, let's rebuild lives, restore dreams, and remind the world that being a Globe customer means being a force of good. Globe enables, and Globe is the enabler of your digital social good. Maraming salamat po. And may you continue to create a globe of good for all. Thank you.